Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking on who you serve and where they watch. First, pick a platform and profile your viewer. This shapes topic style and length. Next, scan 5 competitor videos and record what they cover and what they skip. That reveals opportunity. Then collect at least 10 quick topic seeds from comments, search suggestions, and trending lists. Once done, prioritize seeds by relevance and ease of production so you can move into testing without overplanning. You now validate and expand the top seeds into testable ideas. Start by checking keywords and search intent to confirm people are looking. Prefer specific queries over vague topics. Then write 3 distinct hooks and a single call to action for each idea to test retention. Hooks should promise value in 3-6 seconds. Next, estimate production effort and expected view potential and rank topics accordingly. Once ranked, choose 2-3 to prototype. You finish by testing and scaling. Publish 2 to 3 prototypes fast, deliberately varying thumbnail and opening hook so you can isolate what moves the metrics. Monitor click-through rate and 30-second retention closely. Those tell you if the idea and delivery connect. If retention is low, change structure or hook and retest. If CTR is low, redesign the thumbnail and title. Finally, double down on winners by turning them into a series and repurposing assets across platforms. One troubleshooting tip: if analytics are noisy, extend test runs to 7-14 days before deciding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.